Hi, my name is Jesse. I work at a public university here in the Bay Area. We use this particular classroom for a wide variety of scenarios where we have regular classes, discussion groups, we have Zoom hybrid classes. We also do live streaming from this room. Currently in this classroom we have a backlit lectern where we don't have sufficient lights in the front so that the camera can focus. Part of this project is to get that lighting corrected. We're hoping that the Fiilex lights can help us find a good middle ground that will work with all of these scenarios. We're here at the end of our Fiilex lighting installation and we're really excited to get going. So this is the podium section of our new lighting setup for this classroom, and it consists of 4 Fiilex lights that are aimed in an even distribution so that we have some of the lights are straight on, some are a bit wider, so we have nice coverage of the professor or lecturer standing here at the podium. We have the isolation of the lighting here, as you can see, so that it doesn't spill onto the main whiteboard. So this is our projector preset here, and you can see that the center area with the large whiteboard is dimmed where the side whiteboards are still on. This is a common scenario for our professors where they're using projection but they want to make notes and annotations here on the side. This is the middle section of our new lighting setup for this classroom, and it's actually, even though it's quite large, it's covered by only 2 Fiilex lighting fixtures, and we have those up here in the truss. Large board that serves as a projection surface as well as a large whiteboard. And again, you can see that we have a bit of natural spill or coverage, but we can define that as much as we want to using the barn doors on each fixture. So this is our full coverage lighting setting here where you can see all 3 whiteboards, and we commonly have professors that come in and use all 3 of them. We have nice even distribution covered by only 7 Fiilex lighting fixtures. Installation was very easy, just took a couple hours actually to get all these lights installed. They're very compact lights, so they're very easy to fit in, highly adjustable, including the barn door adjustments so that we can really dial in the coverage of each light. They use very low energy and don't really produce any heat. So we're really excited, and we're going to see how professors will use these in the next semester.